Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this video about selling physical products on e-commerce platforms. E-commerce has become a significant and essential part of the retail industry, providing an opportunity for businesses to sell their products online. In this video, we will discuss how you can start selling physical products on e-commerce platforms and grow your business. Research and choose the right platform. The first step is to research and choose the right e-commerce platform for your business. There are several platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify that you can consider. Each platform has its unique features and audience, so choose the one that best suits your products. Develop your product strategy. To stand out in the competitive world of e-commerce, you need to develop a product strategy. It is crucial to research the market and identify what customers want, and then create a product that meets those needs. Your product should be unique and offer value to your customers. Optimize your product listings. Optimizing your product listings is essential to attract more customers. You need to ensure that your listings have clear product descriptions, high-quality images, and are optimized for search engines. This will help customers find your products and increase your chances of making a sale. Price your products competitively. Pricing is a critical factor in the e-commerce world. You need to price your products competitively to attract customers and increase sales. However, be careful not to price your products too low, as this may affect your profit margins. Provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial to building a loyal customer base. You need to respond to customer inquiries promptly, handle returns and refunds efficiently, and provide a positive shopping experience. This will help you build a good reputation and increase your chances of repeat business. Utilize marketing strategies. Marketing is essential to attract customers to your e-commerce store. Utilize strategies like social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience and increase your sales. Analyze your data and optimize your strategy. Analyzing your data is essential to measure the success of your e-commerce strategy. Use analytics tools to track your sales, identify what products are selling well, and optimize your strategy accordingly. This will help you make data-driven decisions and improve your e-commerce business. Conclusion. In conclusion, selling physical products on e-commerce platforms can be a lucrative business opportunity. By following the above tips, you can build a successful e-commerce store and attract more customers to your products. Remember, it takes time and effort to grow an e-commerce business, so be patient and stay focused on your goals. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your e-commerce journey. Thanks for watching.